Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another cooking recipe video. So if you want to know how I made this beef cheese wrap or beef burrito, please stay tuned. Thank you so much. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. My old subscribers, thank you for your love. So first of all, I'm going to start by putting a pan on my heat and adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So, and then I will be pouring in my chopped carrots, and I'm going to allow this to fry for a little while. Then I will be adding my beef. So after allowing this to simmer for a while, then it's time for me to add my half a kilo of beef. Yeah, this is mice beef. So I'm going to just try to pieces it in there, and I will allow it to cook properly or to fry or whatever. So I'm going to allow this to fry very well or cook properly until it changes its color. Alright guys, as you can see, our meat is almost cooked. You can see it has changed its color. So it has been in there for about 8 to 9 minutes or thereabouts. So it's time for me to start introducing my ingredients. And in there I have already added 1 teaspoon of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of pepper flakes. Feel free to use any pepper of your choice, okay? You can choose black pepper or any one of your choice, it doesn't matter. So the next thing I also added in there is about 1.5 teaspoon of salt. So feel free to add your own salt to taste. And then I added also 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So afterwards I will be adding half of a seasoning cube, okay? Half of it. I will be adding it in there, and I just did. So I'm going to give this a very good mix, making sure that it is well and properly turned about and mixed properly. And afterwards, the next thing I'm going to be adding in there is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of pepper sauce. Yes, so this is pepper sauce. It's pepperish, yeah, because I want this kind of pepperish. So this is just going to allow it to be dense and really mix properly, and also give you that, spicy taste also. So I'm just going to turn this around, and then I'm going to leave it on the heat for about 2 to 3 minutes for everything to simmer together, to come together. And then our meat is fully ready for our wrap. Okay. Alright guys, since our sauce or our meat is ready, the next thing for me to do now is to prepare our cream. And in that bowl I have about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sweet and sour cream. I'm just going to stir them very well and make sure that it mixes properly, because I need it in a more creamy way, okay? You can choose to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk to make it mix properly, but I didn't. I just continued turning it until I got it like this. This is the consistency I'm going in for. So I'm going to set this aside, and then this is the salad that we'll be using. In there I have is it red or purple cabbage, and then I have some lettuce also. So I just added about 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Yes guys, and I will be adding also some of my grated carrots. Yes, and afterwards I'm going to be adding also some about 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice also. This salad is very good for weight loss. Okay, this wrap is also very good for weight loss, guys. We are going in for healthy eating. Healthy eating is the best way. Okay, so this is just going to be kind of like sweet and sour taste, but it is rich. All right, so I'm just going to give this a very good mix, and then we will keep on. We'll start with our wrapping and topping and all of that. Okay guys, just keep watching. So the next thing we're going to start is to start laying our ingredients one after the other. So first of all, I'm going to put my cream on there, and I'm going to try as much as I can to spread it the little way I want it to be. And the next part is for me to put our meat. Yes guys, this was just awesome. The taste was amazing. Give this a try and then come back and tell me later. At this point, I would love to encourage you to please subscribe to my channel. If you love what you see on my channel, subscribe. Subscription is free. You don't pay. That is part of the way in which you support a channel. So please subscribe, okay, and turn on my notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be fully notified, and then you come and watch my videos. And to you all that's always come back, guys, you guys rock. You guys are the best. Thank you for always coming in. And so to continue with our cooking, the next part, I just have my pan on the heat, and I added about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I spread it in there. Now I'm just going to wrap our cheese wrap, and then I'm going to put it on the heat because we want it kind of like that brownish color type for it to look so good and so enticing and so yummy. So after adding it, putting it into my pan, I'm just going to press it down and make sure that that place in which I joined it together is well, smoothed and is well browned and cooked properly so that it sticks with the cheese and it doesn't open anymore. You understand what I mean? So this is it. You can see that color. That is the thing. That's what we are talking about. Okay, looking at it like this, you will want to grab it all and enjoy it all. Guys, don't mind me. So this is what we've got. Now it's time for us to plate it. Oh wow, you can see that looks so good. So yummy, guys. Take a look at that. Isn't it wonderful? Oh my God, this is so good. So thank you so much, lovely people, for watching this video. I truly appreciate you all. Thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you for those that share my video. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Like I said before, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do me well by subscribing and turning on my notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be fully notified of it. And to everyone, I say thank you so much. You are loved and appreciated. See you guys on my next video. Bye.